Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today I will be showing you guys how I got my hair into this side ponytail as well as this really pretty makeup look here. So if you would like to see how I did this really quick easy style using some old crochet hair that I had to create this ponytail, which is trending on Instagram. The rubber band style is really taking this course this summer. So you guys, if you would like to see these two duos, just keep watching. Starting off by deep conditioning my hair as well as a mask so I can have a fresh face and fresh hair. After I went ahead and washed out my deep conditioner, I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair. I am just picking out my fro here, shaking it out, giving you guys a little texture. Then I'll go ahead and start my style. I'm showing you guys that I am going to keep my two locks out. So I'm just going to part my hair on the side in like this little kind of triangle looking shape here, just so I can have the side rubber band and the other side going to a swoop. Then I went ahead and pre-sectioned my hair for the rubber bands. I wanted 3 rows, and then I'm going to go ahead and start adding my rubber bands. I was attempting to do like the triangle method, but it took a course of its own. And here I'm using the She's Balm Goo Gel on my edges, which I love because you see how nappy and kinky and coarse my edges are. And then I went ahead and swooped it with that She's Balm Goo. And they last. They stay there. They kind of just be gelled down, which is fine with me because I got to work with what I got, okay? So here's the first row here, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the second row. I add my rubber band, and then I add in the piece of hair I'm connecting instead of adding it all in together and putting a lot of tension on that, because you can have a lot of tension with these rubber bands. So that's why I am adding the rubber band first and then connecting the hair. And if you're worried about breakage, just don't do it. I'm not worried about breakage. The rubber band style is not going to be in my hair that long for the rubber bands to quote unquote break off your hair. Y'all chill out. Okay? You will be perfectly fine. But if you would like to add some oil to your rubber bands, do that. And this is the crochet hair that I am using. It is by Milky Way. It is the pre-loop crochet hair. I've had this hair in my closet for so long. So I was cleaning out my closet and I'm like, let me just do something with this hair. And I thought of this idea with this like crochet ponytail. And plus this is human hair. So I was able to just take it off, wash it, and let it air dry so to be ready for the next time that I need something really quick and easy to go. So that is the main purpose of this, is something that is like quick and easy. So to hide my hair, I did pre-section my hair around where the ponytail is, just adding a rubber band there and then adding the ponytail crochet hair to that middle section like this. That's just so that I can cover up the bow where the hair is, like where the tracks are. So then I went ahead and added a rubber band to the entire section in the back. And as you can see, I am doing my ponytail in layers because my hair is a little short still and it's not stretched all the way out. So that I won't have a lot of hair at the end, I'm just taking the extra hair from the ponytail and wrapped it around. And now I'm using the Got to Be Glued Freeze Spray to mold my ponytail. If you like, you can definitely use gel or whatever you have on hand. So like I said, I'm adding my hair in by sections. So each section I will put on with no product and then add the Got to Be Glued Freeze Spray and then blow dry it into place. Here I'm adding a She's Balm Goo to my edges. I just want to use that on my edges and then the freeze spray on my actual hair. So that hair coming from the rubber band section, I am just doing the same thing, putting the rubber band and then molding it with the freeze spray. The last section, I will split that 2 times. Well, 1 time, creating 2 pieces, brush that back, add a rubber band, and then like I said, go ahead and spray it with the Got to Be Glued Freeze Spray to mold it down, blow dry it, and then the leftover hair that is coming out, I just hairpin that down so it won't be like a really, really big bush at the end. So here I'm using the She's Balm Goo to mold the top of my hair, which surprised me because when I put it on there like this and then I blow dried it, y'all, it really held. Like, that is some bomb jail. So here I'm just continue the same thing, adding the freeze spray and blow drying it. But I fell in love with this style. And okay, if you were afraid of alcohol and think alcohol gonna break out your hair and it's too much freeze spray, baby, this style ain't for you. Or that means you substitute and you use some gel because y'all be like, that's too much, or alcohol, or this and that. Use a different product, ma'am. I thank you. So here I'm just going to pin down my hair and then take the crochet hair and wrap it around that ball. Just the same way you would do a ponytail. It's just that we added the hair at the beginning. So I'm just trying to cover up that little ball section and pulling the crochet hair around so that you can't see my hair. And then, of course, I take some hair to wrap it around the base of the ponytail just in case, or to get everything all nice and neat to make sure you can't see any hair. So here I'm just retwisting my two locks on the side. Again, I don't have any reason behind them. I think they're just really cute and I'm just so in love with them. So I retwisted those so that they will look nice and neat with my style. And now for the makeup, I'm using the Crayon Case eyeshadow primer as my face primer. And then I'm using the MAC foundation as well as, I believe this is by Black Opal foundation stick. And I'll try to remember to leave all the makeup stuff down below. And this is a Real Techniques brush. I'm just buffing it all out, which I done fell in love with this brush. I've been sleeping on Real Techniques. And then I'm adding some more of the MAC foundation because it is not my color and I'm using it to highlight. And then I will go ahead and I think set that after I look around. So I'm just going to add some contour, and this is Black Radiance. And then I will set my entire face with the MAC powder. I believe that's powder. Yeah. So now going in with the eyeshadow primer that's really for your eyes, priming my eyelids and using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and just going in with some really nice pinkish brown colors. And then I'm going to highlight underneath my brow bone. Of course, you guys can substitute these colors. I'm just trying to think of something really, well, this was a little simple, you know. This is like the same makeup look that I always do. I love these like brownish, pinky, mauvish colors. I'm going to try to step out the box next time I do my makeup because they always look like this. But yeah, I'm going to take these lashes, which is by Sharp Lash. And this is in, I believe these are called Sassy. And I love these lashes. They look amazing. So you guys, make sure you click the link down below and go and check out Sharp Lash because they're very, very affordable, like $5. So go get you some. And here I'm just taking this to set my face and using this, I don't know, I got this lipstick from the hair store a couple years ago, which is like a burnt orange, and then I put a red in the middle, and that's the final look for my makeup to tie in with my hair. Oh yeah, and I did take a comb and actually comb through the crochet hair to get it more textured like that. And you see, that's how my locks look after I went ahead and retwisted them, completely different from the beginning. And yeah, you guys, that's all for this style. You guys let me know what you think about this look. I thought it was a really, really cute, and a lot of these looks like this are like trending on Instagram, but you could use any type of crochet hair and just wrap it around a ponytail. But this crochet hair is human, so I will be able to reuse it. I've already washed the hair and let it air dry. For the next time, I just need to throw a ponytail on my head. Okay, sis? I love you guys. Leave me a comment down below. Bye.